Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas tree. So to start off with our Christmas tree, you want to find the middle of your paper and then just start a little bit up from that. So starting right here, you want to make a little diagonal line that goes up and then another one that goes down like this. It's going to look like an upside down letter V. Then you want to connect these lines with some little bumps. So to do that, you're just going to make some little bumps that just go up and down like this. You don't really want them pointy. You want to be a little bit rounded at the bottom. If you want them pointy, you can. It's just however you want to make your tree. Next, starting right in here, just inside that little diagonal line, I'm going to draw another little diagonal line that goes out a little bit farther. And then I'm going to draw another one over here. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to go up and down with some different size little lines, just kind of like you're making a little zigzag line that just goes around there. Then you want to make another diagonal line starting right here. Just kind of go down at a diagonal. Make this one a little bit longer than these. And then you want to do the same thing here. Just draw a little diagonal line going down. Then once again, you're just going to connect these with some different little size zigzag lines. You can make some a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, however you guys want to do it. But just draw them all the way to the other side. Now, you could always put another row on here, but I'm just going to stop right here like this. Now, at the bottom of the tree, we want to make the trunk. So, starting right in the middle, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight down. And then a line over here that just goes straight down. Then at the bottom, I'm just going to draw a little curved line like this. Now at the top of the tree, we want to make the star. Now the star is going to be the trickiest part. So to draw the star, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little line here, and then a little line right here. We're going to use the top of our tree to help us with the star. So two little lines. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes out here, and then a little line that goes out here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, and then another little line that goes up. You can see they kind of go up at a little diagonal. And then at the top here, I'm just going to draw a nice big point, another little upside down V, and that's going to be our little star at the top. Now, on our tree, we want to add some ornaments, and we're just going to keep it really simple. So to add some ornaments, you just want to make some nice circles all around here. So I'm just going to draw a few different circles on each part of the tree, and I'm going to put them in different spots on the tree, just so it looks like it's really filled up with ornaments. You can make little different size circles if you want to, or you can keep them all the same. It's totally up to you. It's your Christmas tree. So you guys can draw it however you want to. So I'm just going to put a few on there. And I'll put one more right up here. And then one, a little bit smaller one right there. Now, here is your simple little Christmas tree. Now, you can make it a little bit more interesting and you can add some presents underneath here. And those are really easy. So, starting here at the bottom of the tree, I'm just going to make a little skinny rectangle shape. And then I'm going to draw one on this side too. Now, right underneath this rectangle, you want to make a little square. So I'm just going to make 2 lines going down, and then I'm just going to connect them. And then you can do the same thing on this side, 2 lines going down, and then just connect them. Then I'm just going to draw 2 lines going straight down the middle of each of these presents to make it look like there's a little ribbon on there. And then on the top, I'm going to make a little half circle on the top of each one. And then to finish off the bow, all you want to do is just draw a line that goes up at an angle and then down. So it's just going to go up at an angle and down. And you're going to do that on both sides just to kind of make a little bow. And there you go. There is your drawing of a simple little Christmas tree. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.